Have you ever wondered what happens to that plastic bottle you toss in the recycling bin? Does it actually get recycled? Well, today we're going on an incredible journey deep inside one of the world's most advanced plastic recycling facilities to witness a machine that is changing the game. This isn't just any machine. It is a colossal beast capable of processing a mind-blowing 10,000 tons of plastic waste every single day. That's the weight of the Eiffel Tower, but made of plastic recycled daily. So, how does it work? Stick around, because you're about to see the future of recycling, and it's more amazing than you can imagine. First, let's talk about the problem. We produce about 400 million tons of plastic waste every year. A huge chunk of that ends up in landfills or, even worse, our oceans. Traditional recycling methods are often slow, inefficient, and can only handle certain types of plastic. This is where our mega machine comes in. It's not just bigger, it's smarter. It is designed to tackle the plastic problem on an industrial scale we've never seen before. The process begins with a mountain of mixed plastic waste. Imagine trucks dumping endless loads of bottles, containers, bags, and packaging onto a massive conveyor belt. This is the raw material. The first challenge is sorting. In the past, this was a slow, manual process. But here, a symphony of advanced technology takes over. High-speed optical scanners, using near-infrared light, instantly identify different types of plastic. PET, HDP, PVC, you name it. The scanner sees the unique chemical signature of each one. As the plastics fly down the conveyor belt at incredible speeds, precise jets of compressed air shoot out, locking each type of plastic into its own designated collection bin. It's like watching a magic trick, but it's pure science, sorting thousands of items per minute with near-perfect accuracy. Once sorted, the real transformation begins. The plastics are shredded into small, uniform flakes. These massive shredders, with teeth of hardened steel, can tear through a bale of compressed plastic bottles in seconds. This increases the surface area, making the next step much more effective: cleaning. You might think a quick rinse is enough, but this is a deep clean on a whole new level. The plastic flakes are sent into a series of giant washing vats. Here, they are subjected to a multi-stage friction washing process with hot water and specialized, eco-friendly detergents. This removes any dirt, food residue, labels, and glue. Think of it as a high-tech washing machine for plastic. The goal is to get the material as pure as possible, because purity is key to creating high-quality recycled plastic. After the intense wash, the flakes are separated from the water and any remaining contaminants, like paper labels that have turned to pulp. The wet plastic flakes then enter a massive dryer. This isn't your average tumble dryer. It uses a combination of centrifugal force and hot air to dry the flakes in a matter of minutes, preparing them for the most critical stage of the process, melting and extrusion. This is where the magic truly happens. The clean, dry flakes are fed into a colossal machine called an extruder. Inside, a giant rotating screw heats the plastic to its melting point, around 500 degrees Fahrenheit or 260 degrees Celsius. It's like a river of molten plastic. This intense heat also acts as a final purification step, burning of any tiny, volatile impurities that might have survived the wash. The molten plastic is then forced through a die, which is essentially a plate with tiny holes, transforming the liquid plastic into long, spaghetti-like strands. These strands are immediately cooled in a water bath, solidifying them almost instantly. As they emerge from the water, a high-speed cutter, called a pelletizer, chops the strands into tiny, uniform pellets. These pellets are the final product. They look like little beads of plastic, but they are so much more. They are the raw material for a new generation of products. This is what we call a closed-loop system. A plastic bottle doesn't just get downcycled into a park bench. It gets turned back into a material pure enough to make a brand new bottle. So, what happens to these 10,000 tons of pellets produced every day? They are shipped out to manufacturers all over the world. These pellets will become new food and beverage containers, car parts, fibers for clothing and carpets, and even furniture. By creating a high-quality, reliable source of recycled material, this machine is helping to reduce our dependence on virgin plastics, which are made from fossil fuels. This saves an enormous amount of energy, reduces carbon emissions, and, most importantly, keeps plastic out of our environment. Think about the scale of this operation. To process 10,000 tons a day, this facility operates 24/7. It's a non-stop automated process that represents a monumental leap in our ability to manage waste. This technology proves that recycling isn't just a feel-good activity. It can be a powerful, large-scale industrial solution to one of our planet's biggest environmental challenges. It is a testament to human ingenuity and our capacity to innovate our way to a more sustainable future. What's truly exciting is that this is just the beginning. As this technology becomes more widespread, we can imagine a world where plastic is no longer a waste product, but a valuable resource that is continuously reused. It changes the entire economic equation of recycling, making it more profitable and therefore more attractive for businesses to invest in. This could lead to a global network of such facilities, creating a truly circular economy for plastics. So, the next time you drop a plastic bottle into a recycling bin, you can feel a little more hopeful. It might be heading to a place like this to be reborn. While individual actions are crucial, it's large-scale technological solutions like this mega machine that will ultimately turn the tide on plastic pollution. It is a powerful combination of our daily choices and brilliant engineering working together to clean up our planet. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour. It's truly inspiring to see what's possible when we apply innovation to our biggest problems. If you found this as fascinating as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the technologies that are shaping our world. What other large-scale solutions would you like to see? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.